Subscribe to Bilbo YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get latest technology videos from Bilbo. So hello guys, this is Hariran and I'm back with another video of Bilbo. In this video we are going to see about the detailed review of Vivo V20. Without any further time, let's get straight into the video. And guys, here's our review unit package of Vivo V20. Come, let's unbox it. The box greets us with a paper pamphlets and user manuals. And guys, this mobile feels lightweight. It has a USB-C type cable and a 33-watt fast charger. And it includes a transparent protective case. This Vivo V20 includes the basic earphones. I think the earphones in our review unit may be missed. And guys, this mobile feels very lightweight. And we got the Sunset Melody color variant. Okay guys, let's jump into the detailed review of Vivo V20. Vivo V20 is a gorgeous looking phone. It is slim and weighs just right, 171 grams, which is not something we can say for most phones we run into these days. The Sunset Melody color, which is predominantly blue, is a tad too flashy for my personal taste, but there are also Midnight Jazz, which is black color, and Moonlight Sonata color options to choose from. Vivo uses a polycarbonate frame along the sides and the actual glass for the back. The buttons are metallic and the power key has a texture which makes it easier for fingers to recognize. The Type-C charging port, 3.5mm audio jack, and the speaker grill are well aligned symmetrically at the bottom. Moving on the front, the display has a dewdrop notch which is one of the dated notch styles, and it is protected by Scotch Extension 3D glass. The earpiece is quite elonged, so much that we were hoping for stereo output. The fingerprint sensor is present under the display and it is fast and snappy. Vivo V20 has a good quality AMOLED display and consequently blacks are deep and contrast is high. This is not high refresh rate display, but UI transitions and animations are snappy. We did not particularly mind the regular 60Hz panel. We understand that this could be a tough for some users to look past. Our review unit has a wideband DRM L3 certifications and does not support HD streaming on Netflix or Prime Videos. Camera performance is what should primarily give Vivo V20 an edge over its rival. On the rear, the handset has a 64MP primary camera paired with an 84MP wide-angle and 2MP portrait camera. On the front, there is a 44MP selfie camera that Vivo lays special emphasis on. Be it in indoors or outdoors, the rear camera does good in proper lighting. The V20 doesn't have the gimbal camera hardware of the X50, but the image processing software has been passed on. We include some picture samples of Vivo V20. The Vivo V20 is powered by a Snapdragon 720G octa-core chipset paired with 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage. While definitely not class leading, the Snapdragon 720G is similar to Snapdragon 730G in terms of performance and is still great at handling all day-to-day tasks and even high-end gaming. We could notice that the performance, especially when it comes to the tasks like gaming and image processing, is a hair slower than what you get on flagships. If you are into the hardcore gaming, perhaps OnePlus Nord with 765G would suit you better. For our moderate needs, the Snapdragon 720G is sufficient. Vivo has been making incredible phones this year, phones that are not specs, monsters, but still strike the right chords. The Vivo V20 is one such phone that was very enjoyable to use. It is a slim phone that extremely comfortable to wield, has a good quality AMOLED display, runs the latest Android 11 based software, and the camera performance is better than what we usually get in this price range. On the downside, it does not include the latest and greatest SoC and is missing a high refresh rate screen. Vivo V20 will be against the likes of OnePlus Nord and Samsung Galaxy M51, and we would say it serves as a decent alternative to these phones. So guys, we came to end of this video. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up button and share your valuable comments on comment section. And then don't forget to subscribe Bilbo and click on the bell icon to get instant notifications from Bilbo. Thanks for watching. Cheers!